In a dense forest, there lived a large and mighty elephant. This elephant often feasted on fruits and green plants in the forest. When it ate, the seeds from the fruits would fall to the ground. In the same forest, there was a group of cheerful sparrows. They flew all around the forest, searching for small insects and plant seeds to eat. One day, one of the sparrows observed the elephant eating fruits and dropping the plant seeds to the ground. The sparrow got a clever idea. Whenever it saw the elephant eating, the sparrow would help by picking up some of the small plant seeds and placing them in different spots in the forest. This action helped the plant seeds grow into new trees in various corners of the forest. Unbeknownst to them, the cooperation between the elephant and the sparrow made the forest even greener and more fertile. They made a significant contribution to keeping the ecosystem balanced and healthy in this beautiful forest.